Now in this video, we're going to solve using, we solved Thevenin and I of Norton in the previous two videos. We can solve the equivalent resistance with R sub Thevenin with V over R. I'm sorry, V equals IR, so V over I. But we're going to show you how to do equivalent resistance too, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to do REQ from this perspective and going forward. So what do we do? How do you solve for REQ? Very simple, okay? You have two things. You want to set your V of source equal to 0, okay? And you want to set your I of source equal to 0. So to set a voltage source equal to 0, you want to open, right? You want to close all voltage, right? You want to close voltage, and you want to open current sources and voltage sources, and close current sources. Okay, so we're gonna, first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna set it to 0 and we're gonna close the voltage source. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna erase this and we're just gonna close this source. Okay, just like that. So now this is closed. So this is done. Then we wanna open our current sources. So how do we open our current sources? Right, we just simply open the circuit up and this current no longer exists. So our equivalent resistance really looks like this. So I'm going to redraw the whole thing real quick. It won't take very long. Okay, just like that. Okay, and you can just kind of work along with me. Okay, it looks like this. Okay, now the problem is very simple. Okay, 2 ohms, 20 ohms, 6 ohms. Okay, now our R equivalent is from this perspective, right? From here, from looking at from this open circuit here. Okay, so what is this? In short, this is these two are in parallel. This is in series, right? So our R equivalent here, I'm going to push this up a little bit, is equal to 6 plus 2 parallel with 20. Okay. Now, when you have 6 and 2 parallel with 20, okay, we should know how to solve equivalent at this point. So we should say that this is equal to 6 plus, okay, 6 plus 2 times 20 over 2 plus 20. I'm sorry, this is not a 2. Again, keep making an error. I'm going to go back and readjust this. Keep misprinting this. Okay, this is a 5, just like that. This is a 5. I apologize. Okay. Redo this again. So this is a 5 parallel 20. This is a 5 times 20. This is a 5 plus 20, just like that. So we'll have 6 times 100 over 25, right? And that will give us, that algebra will give us 4 plus 6, okay? So our R of Thevenin is equal to our R equivalent of 10 ohms, okay? And that is very, very simple.